Hello students, in my previous video I read this poem and explain it. So today we start our exercise or thinking about the poem. Now question number 1 is, which country or countries do you think the Northland refers to? So answer is, I think Northland refers to Sweden, Norway, Denmark, etc. Second question, what did Saint Peter ask the old lady for and what was the lady's reaction? Answer is, Saint Peter asked the lady to give him a single cake from her store of cakes. The lady did not give him any of the cakes because they seemed to her too big to be given. So she made a small cake, then smaller and still smaller, but could not part with any because she was very selfish and greedy. Question number 3, how did he punish her? Now she was turned into a woodpecker by Saint Peter's curse. Question number 4, how does the woodpecker get her food? Answer, the woodpecker gets her food by boring into dry hardwood of the trees. Now question number 5, do you think that the old lady would have been so ungenerous if she had known who Saint Peter really was? What would she have done then? Answer, the old lady would not have been so ungenerous if she had known who Saint Peter really was. She might have offered him the whole stock of her cakes. Such persons have another kind of greed, and that is to be in heaven. Question number 6. Is this a true story? Which part of this poem do you feel is the most important? So answer is, it might not be a true story as the poet himself thinks. Now the part of the poem which tells us about the punishment of old lady, how she was turned into a woodpecker due to her greed, is the most important part of the poem as it conveys a positive message, that is not to be greedy and selfish. Question number 7. What is a legend? Why is this poem called a legend? Answer is, a legend is an old traditional story. It is handed down from the past, from generation to generation. The present poem is a legend as it tells us about a popular traditional story of Northland. Question number 8. Write the story of a legend of the Northland in about 10 sentences. Now answer is, now Saint Peter used to go about preaching. One day he reached the door of an old woman's cottage. She was baking cakes. Saint Peter was very hungry. He asked her to give her only one cake, but she thought all her cakes were too big to be given away. So she made smaller and smaller cakes, but she was so greedy and selfish that she could not part with any. Saint Peter was angry. He turned her into a woodpecker. Now she has to bore into hardwood to find food. Now go to the second section. First question. Let's look at the words at the end of the second and fourth lines, like snows and clothes, true and you, below and no. Now we find that snows rhyme with clothes, true rhyme with you, and below rhyme with no. So find more such rhyming words which I have already explained you. How to find the rhyming words of the poem, like snows, clothes. few, through, true, you, below, no, earth, hearth, done, one, lay, away, one, done, flat, that, myself, shelf, faint, saint, from, form, warm, food, wood, word, bird, same, flame, and wood, food. So you have to write all the rhyming words. And the last question is, go to the local library or talk to older person in your locality and find legends in your own language and tell the class these legends. So you have to try to find this type of legend. So students, your homework is to write all the answers in your fair notebook and learn it.